Just gonna show you guys a quick video, kind of a around the shop tour, couple upgrades that we did so far, and some new tools that we've got in that we're excited to start using. All right, guys. So first upgrade is kind of makes sense for a flag shop to have an American flag. So this is kind of primarily where I'm going to stand in front of the workbench, normally talk to you guys and film it probably for my intros. We just moved the Don't Tread on Me flag over. Some of the new tools. This is actually one of the first times that we've used this clamp. Got this clamp at Rockler and really like how it pushes everything down. So we got a flag that's all clamped up and planed out smooth. So we're gonna probably shoot a video of us burning the flag. These brand new, we've been using them. Really excited. These bench cookies, also a Rockler product. And then we got a bunch of boxes over here. Got some Irwin products. We have a heat gun, and this nifty little thing that's in the heat gun is a Scorch Marker. Really excited to use that on one of the first projects coming up. I've been working on a lot of stuff. I've just not had time to finish a lot. Got a brand new grinder for a benchtop grinder, and this restorer tool, kind of maybe distress some items. And then something that I've really wanted for a while is the Dremel Micro. That way I can do some smaller projects. Maybe it'll be a little bit easier to handle. Another thing is I had one of our neighbors gave me a bunch of walnut raw boards. So really excited to make some cutting boards and stuff out of this. Get some wood that's different than what you can get at Lowe's and Home Depot. And then probably the biggest upgrade for storage and organization, which that's really important, is these cabinets. So if you guys don't know, we're down in the Sneeds Ferry, North Topsail area. These are actually my kitchen cabinets, my old ones that got pulled out of my kitchen from Hurricane Florence. So in those I got mostly my tools and stuff like that, but this one has all of my paint. Keep spray paint over here, my trays and rollers. I've got brushes, cloths, everything that I need over here. And then open it up, you got more canned paint and stain, RZ mask stuff. That way it doesn't get messed up from any of the sawdust and get in there, and some more brushes. So I was really excited to get those up and get them functional, because now I have a place to get a little overhead storage. Hopefully we can clean this place up one day. And yeah, I mean, that's a tour around the small garage shop that we got. So can't wait to bring more products to you all, and we'll catch you later.